So I just got my Opal Nugget ice maker in the mail today. As you can see, it's wrapped in a box with 3 straps around it. It's pretty good in the box. You can actually touch the unit through the side of the box. The box weighs 50 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. Mine has a slight dent in the box over here. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing. Alright, there's all 3 straps off. The box just lifts right off. The box is pretty heavy. It looks like it's got a piece of plywood inside of there and some foam. Okay, here on top of the box, looks like we have a looks like here is the tray for the front of the ice maker to sit on. It's a drip tray. Looks like here is your instruction and user care manual. It's pretty basic, just instruction manual, it looks like. Looks like you get the ice maker, an ice scoop, a drip tray, the ice bin, and the quick start guide. So it looks like we have everything so far. This is kind of like a cloth material. Here's the unit. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bottom box. Bottom box is pretty heavy as well. It's got some plywood and some foam in there. Here's the unit. It's got some tape on the front. Looks like there's some more instructions here in your ice bin. This is a quick start guide on how to clean and what the display button means. Here's your ice bin with a simple little ice tray in it. Here's your scoop. Here's the back of the unit. Comes with a cord, 3-prong cord. It has got a clean and an ice switch, and then it's got these 2 tubes for draining after cleaning that you let off. So stay tuned. We're going to fire it up, and I will hopefully make a video of that. But this is the first unboxing video of the new Opal ice maker from First Build. I ordered this July of last year and just got it today, October 27th. So thank you for watching. Look forward to some more videos on the Opal ice maker. Thank you.